at them hands.
Oh, she moving. She moving.
Hey, move.
Shouldn't have been an asshole. No! Man!
What's up, JT? And we back with.
You rude, ho. But hold.
What's up, JT
man.
Cartel?
I know, stop because you made.
And we back with another video, baby. What we doing today?
We doing the hand. Show them that you hold the phone right. Hold the phone right.
We cuffed.
For 24 hours. Maybe 24 hours.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Cause your girl gotta go to work.
My girl gotta go to work. I might just make it to work with her, y'all. I don't know. 24
yeah,
hours.
you can do that.
24 hours.
Well, yes, we're doing that 24 hours. I'm about to go cheat, so you gotta come cheat with me.
Yeah.
We about to go Pet Smart and get my sister a turtle.
Better go fuck that nigga together.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
He's so gay. But we gotta go to Pet Smart and get a turtle. And Terrence about to get something for Eva. Y'all see Eva?
Little Eva on me.
What she is?
My baby.
She in the hood, but yeah. We waiting for our Uber. Hold up, good light over here. We ain't no Uber. Yeah.
And we don't see y'all at this damn thing. We're gonna see y'all when we see y'all. Alright? Come on.
Boy, stop.
Come on. Let go of me.
Well, I gotta go to the ladies.
I'm gonna be in there with you.
No, cause they gonna think we fucking.
Well, you need to get your piss out, and we might do be.
I know, but I need to pee. I need to pee now. Let me go pee for real before we go.
Uncle Magaba sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. She's sitting on the toilet.
But I'm done now. Let's go.
Yeah.
So y'all, we is walking to Chick-fil-A because Terrence is starving and can't wait. And they running and I'm not finna run. So yeah. So ain't nobody finna rush me.
Y'all about to go Chick-fil-A, you know. Man, don't walk my way.
Came to the house with chicken and stuff.
Look
at them hands.
Oh, man, you broke it.
Ooh.
It's broke.
Ooh.
Man, you do too much. Put me back in. Put me back in. You broke it? Hey, you do too much.
Stop playing.
Well, you all want to take life serious.
Hey, you play with my motherfucking wrist.
No.
Stop playing with me, girl.
What? I'm not. What? You got me messed up. Open the door.
You like fucking boots. Come on. I gotta open the door for you. Come on. Let's go. We're gonna see. You gotta subscribe to our YouTube channel. Life with J&T. J&T. That's 15, right?
Y'all, I'm bleeding. AKA, I'm dead. Ah. This shit feel like Pat.
Thank you. Really? Doing it like you was not on the right side.
Why you come all over here and do that?
Oh, we do. No, it won't be out
Y'all just did all that for what?
Really, nigga?
He just did all that in a circle.
I thought Pico was over there.
Oh, somebody just wastes juice on me. You're a cheater.
Hey, you need to help me.
Help you do what?
Eat.
Nah, okay.
You got your hand all over there. I need you right here.
Okay, let me hear. Let go.
Can you start kissing on her, please?
Not down.
Oh, great. Appreciate.
I don't think I got my phone. Oh, yes, I do.
My pants falling.
Real.
You want to put them up?
Well, you gay.
You gay.
Y'all gay. Y'all are gay. You gay. My pants falling again, bro.
Oh my God! Why you just ate?
What?
It should have went.
What that mean? Who idea with this?
Come on, y'all. We gotta get a thumbnail.
You gotta put your hands up. You gotta put both of your handcuffs in.
Yes, oh.
See, that's you. You the one that woke and want to complain. Y'all are doing stupid.
Boy, who are you talking to? You. I look like your damn child. No, I'm not.
Right here. Ain't nowhere to go. Come on, we got people here. Don't go no fucking. Why you still walking?
Hold on. Okay. Oh, you getting some shade?
No, you need the sunlight.
Exactly.
What? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Make a sad face, son.
I can't.
Saying just good. Come on, now, boy. Y'all, we just left Best Buy and we got a tripod. So now that we left there, we're gonna get my turtle because I'm up at period.
She moving. She moving.
Eva, it's your mama. Come
Oh.
on. Come on.
Oh Lord.
She alright.
Okay. I'm scared. Is she moving?
No.
Okay. Oh, that's just me moving. Oh, I never had her on me like this, y'all. Woo! Y'all, we're going to we're going to PetSmart. Finally, Tam's got attitude.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Why you mad, babe? And y'all, we got a tripod for our camera. We was like get another camera, but Tanner do too much. We always gotta do what he wanna
It's
do.
always me, you know.
We always gotta do what he wanna do.
I'm trying to be responsible, and it's always me trying to do what I want to do.
But when I don't want to be responsible every time.
I know.
I'm tired of being responsible. I'm always the responsible one. I'm always the responsible one. Now,
you don't get it back.
yes. Life with J&T. Thank you. But one more important: a high camera or a high tripod?
But then you gonna claim that you hurt.
Who asked her?
I'm loving
Who
it.
asked her? Who asked her? Nobody asked her. I'm about to say I ain't got money for the turtle. I ain't got money for that turtle.
Dead boy.
Shut up.
Hey, dead boy.
Shut up.
What's that small?
PetSmart is right in the corner. Stop.
Yeah, we in Best Buy now.
Best Buy.
I mean, PetSmart.
There we go. Baby.
You said the same thing I'm saying though.
Nah, you didn't hear me say nothing.
The turtle right here. It's my damn back hurt. What you mean? My back hurts. Your back don't hurt?
No, man. You too young to have back problems.
I'm not. It ain't my fault.
That's what you need to be going to the hospital for. You fake ass back problems you got.
It's not fake if my back actually hurt. If I have back problems, it's not fake.
Why you ain't go to the damn hospital for it though?
Because I already owe them money. So how I feel being handcuffed with me?
It's the worst ever.
The worst. Why?
Yeah, but I'd rather you than anybody else.
Yeah.
Besides Icy.
She's not talking to me right now. Y'all, we in Goodwill right now. Why we in here?
Oh.
Oh, she put her stuff.
I had to listen to your thing.
No, it's not part of it.
I had to listen.
You're a cheater.
Bro, you was in your
nigga,
pants.
you been down, I've been down. We been down together.
Oh, hey.
Y'all, it's him. Yes,
What?
nigga. That's how we do it. You know, messed up, man. Eric took the handcuff off me and put it on the buggy.
Because he is a cheater.
He is a cheater.
Take too damn long.
Yeah, we at we made it back up. Well, don't rush me because you got attitude.
See how that motherfucker sleep down and stand right here?
I gotta pee.
Go pee.
What?
Just pee.
Okay, I gotta pee.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Uh-uh.
I do gotta pee.
You can.
How you gonna tell me I gotta pee on that? I do have to pee.
Wait till your food done.
What? No, boy. You got me messed up.
Now stop squeezing my
Bro,
shit.
come on. You gonna tell me I ain't gotta pee?
Hey.
Who does that? Huh? I gotta punch you. We not on your time. We on my time right now. How you gonna this not how I want my
You
noodles?
said you don't like your noodles.
I know, but a little 30 minutes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Well, he got an attitude because I want my noodles.
But you said you don't like your noodles cooked.
I don't, and I'm not gonna let it cook all the way. Why your big?
I'm trying to help you out.
You trying to hit me? You trying to hit me?
Wow.
Yeah, this. I just popped myself! Ah, the juice popped on me! The juice popped on me!
You just been an asshole.
Shouldn't have been an asshole. No! No! Man!
Shouldn't have
Why
been
you
an
do
asshole.
that? That's hot though! Move! 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 You make me mad! Move!
Shouldn't have been an asshole.
Why your dumb ass gonna sit right here and you better not take them off? I'm not cleaning that up.
They doing
Shouldn't have been an asshole.
our handcuff challenge. The handcuff challenge. He just dropped the noodles. Handcuff. Oh, you know what that is? Holy.
You want your noodles to get done.
I don't want to sit down.
I do.
Okay.
You really make me mad now. You gon' waste hot noodles on me like it's just not hot. Them fucking cold chips.
Why you want to be an asshole though?
No, that was an ass move. That's fucking hot. You could've fucking burned my goddamn leg.
You burn?
Get the dustpan. Why you just standing right here?
How far you want me to go?
Go.
How far? How far you want me to go?
And those probably was good.
They probably was.
Get bend down. Now you play. You gotta get the juice up because I'm not picking it up. I don't care what you say. Go. Go. What you doing?
What you doing all that for? Move. Retarded.
You have to get the juice up. The broom gonna be wet. So nasty.
You skipped some chips, bro.
Oh my God, that was definitely.
I got something for you.
We ain't got no trash can either.
Yeah, I put it because I'm cleaning the trash can since nobody else gonna get it. So use that Goodwill bag. Take my pants out.
Come on.
He just pissed me off. Okay, y'all. So we did not make it to 24 hours.
Hell to the no.
Because I can't be attached to him that long because he irritate me. We made it to like 7, or it was like 7 hours. It had to be like 7 or 5. I don't know. I didn't keep track. But I cannot. I cannot. This nigga got a smart mouth. And y'all gonna see that y'all saw that he put, he thought news on me. It was a wrap after that, really.
I did not throw the news on her. I ain't not one.
I was right.
Hit you.
I was right there. What you trying to throw it at?
You did not get hit by no. You got hit by some juice.
Yeah, my thigh.
On your thigh.
So if you splash, if you gonna throw the noodle and you see me right here, and you gonna splash it my way. So what that mean? You try to burn me?
No, it was.
Don't get you a nigga like this.
Ooh. This how it is? This how it is.
Oh yeah, so we do a video. Babe! Come over, so we do a video every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, because that's our off day together.
Let's go.
So yeah, so we're going to stay committed. For real. Seriously. Oh yeah, then so eventually, for real, we're going to give away. Everybody saying want a TV.
A TV.
They voted. Probably like 55.
You want a TV? You getting a projector.
Oh my God.
So next time, probably for our anniversary, we're going to give y'all a TV. Probably, I don't know, baby tripping. But
Be
yeah.
prepared for a new video.
Tuesday.
Oh my God. Back in.
Alright. Make sure y'all like, subscribe.
Comment.
Down
Get some
below.
Comments. Show us. You know what? Get your favorite part from this video. And post
Boy!
it. When you post it, add us in that post. And that's how you gonna get your TV. We randomly selected.
We'll see y'all next time.
I love you.